Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see a small useful thing to improve our productivity by making tiny changes. This is nothing but dream, plan, do. Let's see the unboxing video. Just open the planner. Here you can write your name. Okay, let's move to the next page. This page contains lot of things. So let's see one by one. Firstly, this planner have the 12 months of the year. Here you can tick or circle the month. Nextly, this planner have the 31 days. Here you can tick or circle the dates. Above that you can see the days. Also you can tick or write the day. Here you can write the year, which is 2023. Here you can see this planner have to-do list. Here you can write your to-dos in a day. After completing that, you just put tick mark in the box. Nextly, these lines are used to write your top 3 to-dos in a day. After completing that, you just put tick mark here. These water drops are indicating our water drinking level in a day. It depends upon your water drinking. You can shade or put tick mark here. This box is basically used to write our important notes and other stuff. Here you can see it is an appointment section. In this section you can write your appointments in a day. Nextly, you can write your breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks over here. These two boxes are very important box. You can write it in the end of the day. In the first box, you just write what is the great thing that has happened in a day. In the next box, you can write what are the things you can improve on the next day. The final box is motivational box. In this box, you can write your motivation of the day. Here you can see this is the complete planner. Now what I am going to do is I am going to follow this planner for next 7 days and I will update how I am utilizing this planner effectively. If anyone want to buy this planner, the link is given in the description. Easily you can buy it. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel and give one like. Thank you all.